Pin layout. Pin layout is, oh my god, if I could read it, that would help. Pin, oh, I still can't tell. Holy cow. I'll put my magnifier on it. That should do it. Oh, that ain't it. Oh, I don't have it set up on this one. It looks like, let me click on it, I can't tell. 1 and 8. Okay, 1 and 8 from the octal. So on the octal, where's my power tubes? Are over here. Gonna shut down. That's okay. Okay, where are my bigger tubes? Yeah, I didn't get to show you guys yet. I'll show you at least the frickin' top, because obviously now I can't flip it. But yeah, here's what it looks like. And it's gonna be this way. This transformer is right here. They don't look brassy like that. I don't know why it does on the picture, but that's what the top looks like. Like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. At least 11 tubes. Bunch of tubes in it. So, stereo amp. Stereo? I don't remember if it's stereo or not. 1 and 8. So there's the oct. Right there. So here's 1 and 8. And that's going to be DC, correct? So let me get, I'm on DC, let me check. Oh, 9 volts. I want to short that. So 9 volts there. What's this? That's going to be the same 9 volts, I bet. Yeah. Oh, let's go. I just can't believe I don't have a plug this back in. I don't like running my multimeters through the wheel when they're live or plugged into anything. You'll burn them up that way, I've found. It's not the happy way to run them. Give her a little more pajazz. I mean, I got 0 that I can see in there. I mean, 120 right there. No, 119, I'm sorry. I don't want to go any higher. 119.4. So what have I got for across? Man, I can't. 13, 12, 7. Actually, it's bounced. Now it's flattening off to 7. But it's acting like it's not, it was like 13 until I put the multimeter on it, which is freaking not like a very high impedance to it, and it like slowly dropped down to 7 then. There it is. Guess I don't know. I just don't know the things well enough. Probably part of it too, if I had it flipped over, I could shake it a little bit. But this is the side, again, this is the side. I don't care about the other side right now, really. This is the side I care about. I want to see this side. Again, I'm at 1 watt, so we know that nothing... To me, it's nothing, something's wrong. Something ain't right. We should have more than 1 watt going on. I would have to think, right? I mean, how could you not? You gotta have all them tubes gotta have juice just to the filament, you know. They get hot as the sun, hot as the surface of the sun. The darn things, they get hotter than blazes. The tubes when they're actually pumping. So Oh, the mysteries. I always end up with more mysteries than I do ever learning anything when I work on this stuff. But, it's part of the fun of it. What the hey-yo. So, I think I'll let it go at that. I'm really wanting to flip this thing. But I don't want to get waxed doing it. End up shocking the living daylights out of myself for it. So let me think for a second. Do I want to? Yeah, we'll shut it down. We'll bring it down to nothing. Shut it off. Disconnect. Disconnect here. Disconnect here. Now I'm gonna put a light bulb across. Where is it? Right here. Yeah. Come on. I got a light bulb. I just run across the mains to. It actually works. Oh, where is? This isn't it. This is a light bulb, but this wasn't what I wanted. I wanted my. I have a microwave light bulb that's real nice because it lights at really low voltages, and then you can, instead of saying, "Oh yeah, I think I drained the capacitor," you actually get to see it. It'll be a real light shimmer, and then go down to nothing, which is nice. That's why I made this thing. I think I made a video of it. I don't remember, but this should go right across that input capacitors. See if we get anything. Oh, that should be. So the resistors are draining them off. Them big resistors be doing that? I thought them were in control of the line voltage. And because it was in a microwave, you know that it goes up to 100 something volts, so you're not just gonna blow it out. But yeah, we'll leave it at that. I'll get it you shut this off quick. We'll get it flipped over. See if we got any heat, maybe at least. Holy mackerel, this thing is a monster heavy. Heavy. Hideous heaviness. Here's the front. I don't want to really set it down on the front there. Here's the two resistors I was telling you about, these stand-up resistors. Yeah, I mean, look at the iron in this thing. It's crazy, isn't it? All that iron? That's madness. 3 monster transformers going on. This one must have had stuff spilled on it. Just rocking them and that. You don't want to go crazy now because you don't want to break the center, the alignment keying there. We'll give it a good brush off. How's that looking? Yeah, made a little TLC and get this up and going. Like I say, I do want to test them bulbs. So chances are we were down a bulb, like one of our first bulbs coming in is just open circuit, and that would be why we just weren't getting anything going on really, which would be my guess. Again, I got a lot more to learn. I got to get the paperwork for it, get it printed off, the schematic and that, learn about how it's working and all that, because I actually don't even know. Look at this. This one got so hot, it had something plastic or whatever that got on it, melted it, cooked it right into the top there. I think it'll scrape off. Yeah, it's scraping off. Pizza. That's what it was. No, I don't know what it was. It was chunky though. It's on there, clanking off. Dang. Well, yeah, I mean, you can see how hot they get when they're up and cooking. Oh boy, this thing's got stuff flying everywhere. It's coming off of it. I think it's alright. I don't think that's oxidization, which will happen if they have air in them. Because, again, it's a vacuum tube. Here's your key. If you look at it, it has a key and how it goes in. And typically, you just want to go, if you ain't right, you don't know where, don't know how, you just set your key, set in your centering hole, and just turn it and then it locks in. Or it pops down, and then just rock it down into the pins. Now you're just setting it into the pins, like that. Now just make sure these seem good. Now what, must be my rectifier tube, I'm guessing, because this one's different than it seems to all of them. Because there's got to be a rectifier tube. It can't be doing all of it through that little ass bridge rectifier I changed out, the old Selenium one there, right? I mean, so there has to be more going on than just. And why would they keep it? Why would every circuit is a bridge rectifier? So you'd figure it'd be a rectifier tube, huh? Unless you're keeping it separate for your left and right separate. I don't know. It's strange days. I'll let you guys go. Just please be safe, be kind to each other, and have a good time. I'll be back very soon. Many more answers to be questioned. Thanks, guys. Goodbye.